Hi guys! Today I am going to show you how to download and install brushes and texture template files directly on your iPad from Dropbox to Procreate. So we're going to start off by opening YouTube, and let's see, we're already at my channel, so I'm going to go to my most recent video and click into the description, and then I'm going to click the Dropbox link. This doesn't work in YouTube's web browser, so I'm going to hit this button here in the corner to open in Safari, and then I'm going to continue to the website. So the key here is that you don't have to download any extra apps. None of my files are zipped, so you don't need an unzip file. It's really simple. It just takes a while because some of the files are big. First, we're going to install the watercolor base, and this is a .procreate file because it's a template setup. So I'm going to hit download and direct download. And this just takes a while. It's just 331 megabytes, so it'll take a little while. Okay, so it takes a couple minutes, but once you get to this page, it means it's downloaded onto your iPad. So from here you can do two things. You can open in Procreate, which will open this file from the browser into the Procreate app, or you can hit more and save it to your files if you have a cloud account, and this way it will be like a hard copy saved in a place. Right now, we're just going to open in Procreate. And then it imports, and again, this takes a little bit of time. Texture files are usually pretty big. I personally like a super high-res artboard to work on, so this is even larger than normal. And then this is what it imported in. I don't really know why that artwork shows up, because it's not on these layers, but then you're in. And from here, I like to do is I always keep a clean copy and then I duplicate it. And then I'm just always working off of the duplicates. And then I tend to stack things that I've been painting so that it doesn't get too cluttered. So that's how you download the texture watercolor paper template. To download brushes goes much quicker because they're smaller files. We'll go back to YouTube. Once again, click the link to Dropbox, and then open in Safari. Continue to website, we don't need to download the app. And we're going to download this spiky wet bleed brush. So I tap on it, download, direct download. And then open in Procreate. And from here, if you open up the file, it'll be the first thing on your imported panel, and it'll take you directly to that brush, your most recent import. This is the method that I have found works. If you want to download on your computer, you can do that as well and airdrop the file. That also works. Just keep in mind, the base file is really big, so it takes some time. So if it seems like it's not working, it just takes a couple minutes to download. So I hope this helps. I will be back with more soon. Thank you so much for watching.